Ash Mufareh, the success story of Ash Mufareh with Onpassive Go founders today. Everyone is fighting hard to mark their presence in this digital world. But it is not so easy for online businesses to leave a never-ending mark unless they got some powerful tools under their sleeves. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing. It is the most demanded technology of the century, which can change the course of the future. Everyone is trying to implement this innovative technology to extract more profits from the business. Ash Mufareh, the founder of Go Founders and a renowned genius of technology, has brought us some quite powerful tools from his arsenal to fight in this ever-developing digitally advanced world. Ash Mufareh is a well-established and a well-known genius who has more than 20 years of experience in upgrading technologies. The master of digital solutions has always supported AI technology and had used it to develop such a powerful tool that will help any individual to establish a successful business. Mr. Mufareh started his career in the digital world in the early 90s when the digital world was beginning to evolve. He knows every ups and down of today's digitally advanced world, which makes him an absolute genius in this field. In his long-term work life, Mr. Mufareh has worked with and under several renowned experts of the digital world. Ash has always dreamt of building such a technologically advanced digital tool that can help small, medium, and even large-scale businesses. He still uses his immense knowledge of the latest technologies to help online businesses to grow. To continue his venture of helping every single individual, Mr. Mufareh has developed an artificial intelligence-powered tool Onpassive so that even the smallest of the online business will have a chance to excel. The wizard of artificial intelligence himself has implemented his innovative ideas and concepts into the tool to ensure its high performance and improved productivity. Mr. Mufareh has exploited him every last resource and knowledge to build Onpassive. It can provide an equal fighting opportunity to any online business and mark their presence in this digital planet. Go Founders, Onpassive also lets the founders earn regular residual earnings, which provide complete financial freedom for entire life. No doubt, it will be the best technologically advanced tool ever developed. It will also help to grow a business as a very productive and financially stable way. Once integrated with the most advanced digital product, it will start collecting the data of the company. After the collection of data is complete, it will begin to calculate the best feasible and profitable way to increase the productivity of the business. The predictions made by the tool are accurate as it uses artificial intelligence to conduct its research and predict the outcome. They are designed to bring the best of results without any questions of errors. Ash Mufareh has also developed several digitally advanced tools along with Go Founders, Onpassive, which will enable every business owner to run their business smoothly. For example, he has developed an AI-driven chatbot that can communicate with the clients just like their human counterparts. A tool that can interpret, recognize, and produce human language and speech. A machine that can process the vast amount of data that is generated daily to gather the required insight for the businesses. In summary, the ultimate goal for Mr. Mufareh was to provide a tool that can reason for input and explain output. Finally, the time has come when this technologically advanced product is on its final stage and ready to change the whole digital world. Thanks to Mr. Ash Mufareh for providing us with such a powerful tool.